all. Today we'll discuss how the API will be designed and how we will write the code and how this code will be integrated and then that will be released and deployed in our stage environment and all. So the first thing is API development environment, where we have a design. Through that, code gen will be generated, the integrated development environment. So based on the ID, we have to write here the code. Once you will write the code, and after that we'll have a checking. So you will do the checking. So this checking have a source repository. There we are doing the code checking. Whatever the code you have written, that we have to check it, and that integrations will happen. The integrations will happen. After that, it will go for the release branch. Before that, we have a design mock will ADE, which have write the test cases and document will be created, and then once the test cases has been written, through that they will run the test cases and monitor it. So whatever the result and validations will come, that will be go for this release branch. So that release branch will take the latest details with the integrated source and all the test cases monitoring, and then they will deploy. So the deployment will go for the server environment. The server environment will have a dev stage test pro. So we have a multiple server is there. Either we have a dev, other stage, or maybe test and pro. There we have to do the deployments and all. Directly you can run this test and monitor to the particular stage of deployment server environment. So like this, we have a API which will be communicated from how we are writing the code, how from where we have to write the code, and after that where we need to check in the code, and then that integration will be happen. Then how this will be create a release where we will deploy the code, what are the changes, and which server will be there for this. So either that we have a multiple development environment will be there. There we need to develop and deploy the code. Yeah, so this is the flow which is used for this API first step development and all. Yeah, thank you.